What's going on, man? We in the AT4, headed to the car wash, gonna get cleaned up real quick. And then I got a nice little surprise package from Ford today. So I'm gonna go head over to the GT350R and we'll open it up together, man, see what it's all about. Stay tuned. Here she is, man. Shelby. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's get a peek at this package real quick. All right, man, so this is the moment you've been waiting for. When you buy a GT350R, or I even believe a regular GT350 from Ford, what they do is they send you out, it's called a supplement package, and it's from Ford Performance, and inside you get a bunch of, you know, collectible items that go with the car. So let's see what is in here. Give me 1 second to get this out of this box and we'll check it out. All right, so let's see what's inside. Okay, looks like they give you a 2020 Shelby GT350 hardcover book. From what I see from other videos online, it pretty much has like history on the car, from all the old school Shelbys to the new school. Let's see what else we got. Okay. This here is a thumb drive that you can pretty much plug into any laptop or computer. And from, again, like I see on other videos, it has, you know, just more history on the car and the development through the years. And this right here is actually unique to each individual car. As you can see, it has the chassis number on it. And then you get this piece here, has a nice amount of weight to it. This is actually your flat plane crank, or a mock-up of it, and it sits right there. So nothing too crazy, man, but just a nice little touch from Ford. When you spend this amount of money on a performance vehicle, it's a nice way to say that they appreciate you making that purchase. I could have got any car I wanted. I didn't have to go with a GT350R, but it's just nice of them to acknowledge that and send you out this package. Oh, one last thing I didn't even mention in here. Give me 1 second to get it out. All right, so this here is actually a GT350 poster. And, you know, it might not be the same color as the car. And I believe the poster wasn't even a R model of the car, but still, like I said, they didn't have to do that much. You know, they could have gave me a simple email saying thank you for your purchase and left it at that. The fact that they, you know, give you a poster, it comes inside this nice box, thumb drive with some information on the car, basically a trophy here with your chassis number on it with the flat plane crank engine, and then also the hardcover book with more history and information on the car. You know, that's a nice touch. You know, that's like a big way of saying we appreciate you purchasing this vehicle. You could have purchased any vehicle you wanted, and you chose a Ford GT350R. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, props to Ford for that, man. This will definitely be a collectible car. And one last thing, as I'm packaging everything back up, I also noticed there's another piece up here that was tucked away. So this has a sheet from Ford that pretty much lets you order a plaque with your exact car on it, with the VIN number and everything, signed by Shelby. And even a letter saying congratulations and welcome to a very exclusive group as an owner of Shelby GT350 Mustang. So, like I said, man, this is just over and above what a lot of brands do. You know, most brands will let you just purchase a car, and you know, next time they see you is at you know, your first oil change. Here we even have a certificate from Ford Performance certifying the VIN number, limited edition 2020 Shelby GT350R Mustang, produced at the Flat Rock Assembly Plant. So, like I said, man, this is, you know, something unexpected that a lot of dealers and, you know, big car brands don't do. So I appreciate it for it, and I will enjoy the car. All right, man, back in the AT4, heading back to the house. Drop a comment below, let me know what you guys think of the GT350 supplement package, owner's supplement package. And you know, what do you guys think? Do you think that's a nice touch by Ford? Do you think they should have given more? Do you think they went over the top? And also let me know if you know any other car brands that do that, because you know, maybe, you know, I don't know any that do it, but you know, maybe I just haven't purchased those cars yet. So you know, maybe Lamborghini does it, maybe you know, I don't even know, would you get something like that if you purchased the Audi R8? Because that is a car that I'm interested in getting at some point. So, and not that that's a deal breaker if they don't give you, you know, an owner supplement package with the car, but like I said, it's just a nice touch, you know, to show appreciation for somebody choosing, you know, one brand over another. And also, like I said, I feel like it's a nice item to add to the car, which makes it, you know, more of a collectible and something that you want to hold on to. So let me know what you guys think. Drop that comment below, hit that like button, turn on notifications, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you on the next one.